I got a fun little package in the mail yesterday from Uresta, so we are going to check it out. If you're not familiar with a passary, it is a device that is worn inside the vaginal canal to help reduce bladder leaks, heaviness, prolapse symptoms. So this is a 3-sized passary system that comes to help you fit at home. They say to start here at the middle size. This is inserted into the vaginal canal, and this ring here helps to provide pressure and support around that bladder to prevent leaks. So this is almost like a little sports bra to help increase that pressure and keep things in place so that we have fewer bladder leaks. What a cool system for people who are having a hard time accessing a urogynecologist or want to privately fit things at home.